Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. Welcome back to the channel. And today I've got this Shirogorov F95 Icebreaker here with me for a quick maintenance video. And if you like this video, don't forget to like the video. And if you want to subscribe to the channel so that I keep bringing you this kind of content, yeah, let's just do it and smash that subscribe button. But let's get started, guys. We're gonna need a Shirogorov tool, and because we are fancy, we're gonna also need some Shirogorov tweezers here. Let's just start with the handle screw right here on the back. You're gonna need 2 bits. Just start like this guy, like so. Very straightforward. I actually just cleaned this guy, but I don't know why the video just disappeared. And yeah, so you're gonna find a fantastically clean Shirogorov F95 Icebreaker in this video. So look at this, look at that, very nice. The bearings are gonna be right there in place because, yeah, not those, look at that, very interesting. So we're gonna need a little bit of rubbing alcohol here for this guy, and like so. So just to clean the bearings. And actually I'm seeing, okay, let's just remove the pivot. Those we're gonna take care. So this guy can be something like that, and here you see, just do like that, and this one actually is gonna go like this. So this is the lock side and this is the show side, and we're gonna just clean it like that. This is pretty clean, guys. Just gonna flip it around, clean the other side, and just flip it around again, and just put it like here, and that's the orientation for the show side. So show side, you see, goes counterclockwise, kind of like that, and the lock side goes clockwise, if kind of like we can say that. It's just like a visual annotation. So yeah, and then you know what we can do, just like that. Just be really careful because these bearings are sneaky, and there's like a lot. I think these are 42. So that's the pivot, that's the pin, sorry. Let's just clean this area here inside the track. It's done. Let's just clean it here as well. Very cool, and done. So guys, let's start putting back together with this the pivot screw right there. And so since we said that's the lock side, which goes this way, has to go like the opposite way around, like that. And that's pretty much it. Take your tweezers. If they're not Shiro, it's fine, it's okay. These are just fantastic tools because they have a nice grip, they have some nice jimping, they are Shirogorov, they are matching my F95 Antique and the tool, and that's a fantastic thing. So just put these back in their place. Take some 10 weight nano oil and drop like 1, 2, 3 drops of that oil, and I like to use a little bit heavier weight nano oil here on the detent ball, so it's gonna give that hopefully fantastic drag that I love about a Shiro. Let's not forget to clean the tang of the blade. Make sure that there's no ball bearings left attached to that. This guy, we said it goes counterclockwise with some like 1, 2, and 3 drops of 10 weight nano oil. Just center this bearing more or less. Make sure you have the stop pin. Make sure you have the backspacer pin aligned in place, and this is done. So I'm just gonna do the pivot first, because I already have the tool in place. So we're gonna finely tune everything. I'm just gonna do this so everything stays in place. Just align that. In this case, this goes in from the back. You just switch the bit and you are going to be in business pretty soon. So always take your time, make sure this is tight. Okay. Check that everything is aligned and switch the bit. Make sure the blade is already centered. There's a little bit of blade play. We're gonna correct that in a second, which is gone. Yeah. Yes. So basically, guys, this is what I'm talking about. This is the Shirogorov gliding action when perfected. Is just something. It's superior, guys. You might have realized at this point that I'm in love with Shiro because they are just fantastic knives. There's like, see, you can even, let's do that because I have a little bit of OCD. I like my pivot to be kind of like aligned. That's too much. So just do a little bit less, something like that. And here you go. You have this gliding action. Look at this. Look at this. Fantastic. It doesn't drop shot. This glide shot. And I love it. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And please don't forget to subscribe. And please don't forget to like this video if you liked it. Thanks for watching. And stay tuned.